Okay, so I just got into Masaya. Took a bus from Leon to Managua and then to Masaya. Haven't made many videos lately. I've been kind of lazy. I've actually been trying. I'll go to a park, I'll sit down and there's too many people and then I'm like, yeah, I'll do it later. But today's the day. I'm gonna start again. So I'm gonna find the hostel, check in, and then explore the city from there. All right, so I'm in my hostel room now. I'm staying at a hostel called Hostel Santa Maria, I think. It's got a bed, a fan, a mirror, a bathroom. So basically a 5-star hotel. But now I'm gonna head out, I'm gonna meet up with a friend, and we are going to explore the city of Masaya a little bit. Alright, so I just ate some lunch at a Commodore. Had some like traditional food, rice, tostones, some meat, and something else, I can't remember. Just met up with my friend here. She doesn't want to be on camera, so she's sitting over there, and I'm talking to myself here at the fountain. But we are in the Central Park here. We're going to explore around the city a little bit, so let's see what else we can find in Masaya. Alright, so we just made it to an overlook called, I think it's Catarina, something like that. It's about like 5 kilometers from Masaya, so we took a bus. It took like 15 minutes or so, but it's a really awesome overlook looking at the Laguna de Apoyo. I've heard a lot about the Laguna. A lot of people go here. Apparently it's one of the few places you can actually swim. It's not dirty water. I'm not gonna have time to go this trip, but hopefully another time. But we're way up higher. It's really windy and actually pretty, it's not cold, but the temperature's a lot lower here. But yeah, you can see behind me the Laguna there. There's a lot of places, like a few hostels and different waterfront houses that you can go to for super cheap. So hopefully in the future I can go there and maybe make a video on that. But they're gonna head back to Masaya and see what else we can do there. Good morning. So it's actually the next day. We got back from the lookout last night and it was dark, so we just kind of grabbed something to eat and then hung out for a little bit, but I didn't film anymore. But yesterday was a lot of fun. We were hanging out, checked out like some of the parks, walked around a little bit, ate. Masaya's a lot smaller, but there's still stuff to do. There's plenty of parks and places to eat. So yeah, we were hanging out in Central Park, and then we walked around for a little bit, and then we went to that overlook called Catarina, which is really nice. Like I said, it overlooks the Laguna de Apoyo. So if you're ever in Masaya or in Granada, anywhere like that, it's definitely worth going. Super nice views. You can see Granada, the lake in Granada. But it's about 7:30 in the morning. I'm waiting for my friend to get here. I'm probably going to find some coffee, and then we are headed to Granada for the day. But yeah, Masaya's been pretty cool. It's a very kind of chill town from what I've seen. I've only been here a day, so I can't give a super extensive review, but I enjoyed my time here. I'm getting ready to head to Granada, so as always, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next.